What's up, guys? It is officially Saturday, and we are enjoying this great weather after an insane amount of rain that we've been getting the last several weeks. And we thought that we'd come to Hoi An to see how life is here after the historic rainfall that's happened here. Flooded the main river, all kinds of businesses and shops. If you've seen on the news, or you can look on YouTube and Google, you'll see this place was completely flooded out. It's the most rainfall they've ever gotten. They usually, every season they do get rainfall and there is flooding, but not to this level. So we thought, why not come down? We're only 15-20 minutes north, see how life is like after the most historic rainfall ever in Hoi An, and we'll see what is going on and if it's business as usual or if things are shut down.
As you can see, they are trying to clean everything. The roads are all with mud. It's dirty still, and they are doing their best to clean and to make everything perfect for other tourists to come and to visit Hoi An. And this is the perfect moment to come and to support these people, in fact.
Well, we made it here, and as you can see from the drones and some of the footage here, it's business as usual. You wouldn't know that this place was underwater just a week and a half ago. In fact, it's a little too busy for my taste, honestly. It's supposed to be low season because it's typhoon season, but it doesn't feel like low season at all. There is tourists everywhere, which is good. It's supporting the local economy, help people get themselves back on their feet after this historic flooding. But I swear you wouldn't know anything happened, except for by the river. All the places that are right off the river have pretty much been destroyed. As far as the roadway goes, not the building themselves, but they have a lot of cleaning up, a lot of sand, dirt, mud, and probably replacing a lot of the tables and chairs and stuff. But anything that's behind the river, past it, everything else is good. Everybody's out, everybody's selling. Tourists are everywhere. Vietnamese people are hustling, trying to make money. So it appears to be business as usual. Nothing's really changed. And it's clear the Vietnamese people are very resilient and basically unstoppable. Even after the worst historic rainfall Hoi An has ever seen, things are as alive as they've ever been here. And now all I want to do is get the hell out of here because it's too busy. So pretty wild stuff.